In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Trend Reversal Predictor in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is up on the screen, look towards the top of the interface for the Indicators button. It's usually located near the time frame and layout options. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you'll be able to search for and add all kinds of tools and scripts to your chart. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search box at the top. This is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for, instead of scrolling through long lists. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now type in Trend Reversal Predictor. As you type, TradingView will automatically start filtering results below the search bar. Make sure you're looking in the relevant section, such as Community Scripts, Technicals, or whichever category the tool is published under in your version. When you see Trend Reversal Predictor appear in the list, simply click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your current chart. Give it a moment and you should see menu signals or overlays appear right on your price chart. These may look like arrows, labels, or colored zones, depending on how the script is designed. If nothing shows up at first, double check that the indicator is turned on in your chart's indicator list and that your chart isn't zoomed out too far. Zooming in slightly can make the signals a lot easier to see. Once the indicator is loaded, you can customize it if needed. In the list of active indicators on your chart, hover over Trend Reversal Predictor and click the settings icon. Here you can tweak things like colors, line styles, or sensitivity, depending on what the creator has allowed. Take a moment to adjust it so it's visually clear and fits your trading style. Finally, if you're planning to use this regularly and want to get the most out of TradingView, check out my affiliate link for TradingView Pro in the description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it unlocks additional chart layouts, alerts, and more indicators at the same time, which can make tools like Trend Reversal Predictor even more powerful in your daily analysis.